Today we're going to remove the door panel from this 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and remove this cover. All you simply do is pop this open here and pull on the tab. And there it is. That exposes this Torx 25 bolt we have to remove. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove this cover using a trim tool removal. We're going to go ahead and apply some pressure here. I'm going to need both hands. Once you get behind it, you can just pull this off and set this over to the side. And that exposes 1 and 2 Phillips screws. Then we have 2 more T25 Torx screws here. Let's go ahead and start off by removing this one here. And we'll go ahead and drive this out. And we'll put this in a nice safe location. And we'll go ahead and remove this one and this one as well. Then we'll go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips screws from here. Then you can use a little magnet to get these out. I'm going to need both. Then set those over to the side. We'll go ahead and remove this little cover using a trim tool removal. And it should slide out this way. There it is. You could either wait to remove the door panel or stick your finger through. Pop this out. Disconnect this pigtail. That way there's no more pigtails connected to the door. And we'll go ahead and set this over to the side. Shove that back in there. Now we're ready to remove our door panel. We're going to use a trim tool removal. Let's go ahead and use a bigger one. We'll go ahead and start from the rear. And once you have these pop, should easily start coming off. And we'll go ahead and do it all the way around. Then we'll lift the door up and out. Alright, once you have it nice and loose, go ahead and push up and out. And like I said, we removed that pigtail already. So there's the door panel. Sweet. And the reason I'm doing this is because something is up with this window regulator. It's either off the window or this window regulator is bad. So that's the reason why I'm removing this door panel. But that's how you remove a door panel on these Jeep Wranglers. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.